Good morning. You're welcome to my channel. Patented B in English, we believe. Welcome to my channel. Today, I will be doing lesson on Autostrada, the highway, Autostrada. So the last lesson I did was I stopped at Kusiak, which is the lane. So today, we will be doing. No, I stopped at Kusia. So today we will be doing Autostrada, because without this lesson we cannot get the meaning of, we cannot know the meaning of the Kusia, the acceleration, which is the acceleration lane that it is being used to enter into the highway. So we need to learn the Kusia, the acceleration from Autostrada, which is the highway. So our lesson today is classification de la strada, so the classification of the road. So please guys, try to share my videos, and if you find my videos interesting and you are interested in studying with me, please and write me as well in the comment section. Okay, thank you. So today's lesson is strada, classification de la strada, so the classification of the road. Autostrada. When you hear the word Autostrada, it means the highway, Autostrada. So they said strada a carreggiata indipendente. See, they are of carriageway, they are of independent carriageways. They don't depend on any other road. They are of independent carriageway. So let's go further, understand and try to get the picture of what they are trying to say. All separated as spartitraffico, and this carreggiata, they are all separated by spartitraffico. Spartitraffico, if we remember very well, the last time, the lesson I did on strada, which is the first lesson, the spartitraffico is the green thing in the middle of the road that they used to divide the road into two carriageways. So this is what they are referring to now. So this carreggiata can be separated by spartitraffico, can be divided by spartitraffico. This is what they are trying to say. Privi di accesso, privati e incrocio a raso. So this very autostrada, which is the highway, they are without junction. When you hear the word privati e incrocio, privi di accessi, privati e incrocio a raso. So they are without junction. They are without low junction. Incrocio a raso, junction of low level. So they are without this very highway, they are without junction of low level. Che attraversano, so they are without junction of low level that cross them, this highway that they call autostrada. L'autostrada è dotate da specially Kusia. So this very highway, they are equipped with special lanes. When you hear the word dotata, the specially Kusi, which means they are equipped with special lanes. The accelerazione, so they are equipped with special lanes of entry, which is Kusia di accelerazione, per l'ingresso, to enter into the highway. So these special lanes are the lanes they use to enter into the highway correctly. Is the Kusia specializzata, which is Kusia di accelerazione, per l'ingresso, to enter into the highway, e di deaccelerazione per l'uscita, and they still have the one they call deaccelerazione per l'uscita. So they still have the special lanes to take exit. So the special lane to take exit the highway is the one they called Kusia di deaccelerazione to exit the highway. Why? To enter into the highway is Kusia di accelerazione to enter into the highway. I will try to show you guys the picture of each and every one of them. So let's continue. Per l'uscita del veicolo to exit for the vehicle to exit the highway, so they have to use Kusia di deaccelerazione. È lateralmente recintata. So when they said è lateralmente recintata, this highway that they call Autostrada, this highway, they are all fenced. By the side, they are all fenced. È segnalata da apposite cartelli stradali, and they are assigned to a signal, a route signal. The inizio, a route signal of how you will know that this is the starting, the inizio, e the fine, and the ending of the highway. So they have road signal that shows where it starts and where it ends. I Fundo Verde, and this very road signal, their inner color is green. When you hear the word Fundo Verde, their inner color of the road signal, this autostrada we have, their inner color is always green. I will show you the signal as well. Sule autostrada, no pause, no circulare. So on this very highway they call autostrada, it's not possible to circulate. Alcuni category de vehicle, it's not possible to circulate all the categories of vehicles. Comme example, for example, in motociclo, for example, motorbike, con cilindrata inferiore a 150 cm3. So a motorbike with the cylinder of less than, when you hear the word, in motociclo con cilindrata inferiore means less than. So a motorbike with the cylinder less than 150 cm3 cannot circulate on autostrada, this highway, no. Le macchina agricole, the agricultural machine, cannot circulate on the highway, no. A ciclomotore, that is the small motorbike, they cannot circulate on the Okada. So all this bike, the cylinder, their velocity, everything, we learn everything about them. The lesson, they are up front, they are ahead. So don't panic, don't bother. I will teach you on how to know each and every one of this name of this motorbike. The motociclo, the big motorbike, and the ciclomotore, the small motorbike. I will teach you everything. So don't bother, okay? So they said the motociclo, which is the big motorbike that the cylinder is less than 150, cannot circulate on the highway. Why? The agricultural machine, le macchina agricole, cannot circulate as well. The ciclomotore, which is the small motorbike, cannot circulate as well. Prevede un limite massimo di velocità di 130 km/h. And this very autostrada, they have the maximum speed limit, which is 130 km/h, is the maximum speed limit. So let's check the illustration of the pictures. So carreggiata separata as parte traffico. So if you look the highway, the autostrada and the highway, you can see this very highway. The road is separated in two carriageways. So, and this middle thing they used to separate this road into two carriageways, it's what we call spate traffico. So carreggiata separated as spate traffico. So the carriageway, they are separated by spate traffico, the middle thing. Then autostrada, this highway, strada a carreggiata indipendente or separated as spate traffico. So they have their road and they are separated by spate traffico. They don't have one carreggiata. They always have two carreggiata or more. This very highway. So let's go to the other pictures. So incrocio a livellos facati. The first picture. Let's take this first picture. So incrocio a livellos facati means this highway, they have junction of different level. When you hear the word incrocio a livellos facati, it means junction of different level. They don't have junction of low level, no. They don't have junction incrocio a raso, which is junction of low level, no. They always have incrocio a livellos facati, junction of different level. So let's see the meaning of the junction of different level. If you look this very road very well now, you will see you have a down road and a uphill. So this down road is the junction. This uphill is the other junction, which is the junction of different level. This is what they are trying to say. This up road is a road, while this down one is the down road. So, and on patente we call the down road sotopassi, while the up road sofra passi. So I just want to make you understand. So let's read what they wrote here. Prefer the incrocio. So they are without junction, arazo. They are without low junction. Prefer the incrocio, arazo. They are without low junction. Che attraversano. They are without low junction that cross them. Ma solo a livellos facati, but they only have junction of different level. When you hear the word ma solo a livellos facati, they only have junction of different level. Then the next picture. Corsia di accelerazione. So when they say corsia di accelerazione, is the acceleration lane, the entrance lane, the lane they use to enter into the highway. So if you look this very trailer very well, look at where the green is pointing towards to. It's pointing towards to the main circulation. So this very trailer is about to enter into the circulation. So that is why this lane that is using to enter into the circulation is what they call corsia di accelerazione, which is this corsia specializzata per l'ingresso to enter into the highway. So the special lane to enter into the highway is corsia di accelerazione. It's what the trailer is using to enter into the highway right now, as you can see. Then corsia di deaccelerazione. So as you can see, this very Ash's vehicle, look at where the green arrow is pointing towards to. It's about to exit the highway. So the lane he will use now to exit the highway is corsia di deaccelerazione, is the special lane to exit the highway, which is corsia di deaccelerazione. Corsia di deaccelerazione, the lane to exit the highway is corsia di deaccelerazione. Then, so let me read the word that is written under this very picture. Dotate da speciali corsia, so they are equipped with special lanes per l'ingresso e l'uscita del veicolo. So they are equipped with special lane for the entrance of the vehicles, and they are also equipped with special lane to exit as well the vehicles. So it's what I just explained now. Corsia di accelerazione to enter into the highway. Why corsia di deaccelerazione to exit the highway as well. Then let's look at this other picture. Recinzione laterale. So, and this very highway they call autostrada, by their side it is fenced. It is all fenced around. When you hear the word recinzione laterale, it means it is fenced by the side. The autostrada, the highway, it is fenced by the side. Recintata lateralmente. So they are recintata lateralmente lungo intero percorso. Too, along the road, along this highway, they are all fenced by the side. This is what the word means. They are fenced by the side along the road. As you can see this very picture here, you can see the fence. You can see the wires they used to fence the highway. You guys always travel around, and I believe most of you guys have seen all these things. So there's no problem. So I'm done with the autostrada now. So let me go and show you the signal of the autostrada. The signal. Let me go and show you the signal. So let me show you the signal of autostrada before I can continue. So let me show you the signal first. So if you, as you can see very well, this is the signal of autostrada. This very one, this green signal. So the entrance of the autostrada, we have this very signal, this road signal. This very road signal. And if you look very well, this picture is not too clear. Let me try to bring out a very clear picture. So let me bring a very clear picture. Please, pardon me. Let me bring a very clear picture on autostrada. Autostrada. Okay. Autostrada. So, as you can see, okay, see this one. As you can see, this is the road signal of autostrada, the highway. So, if you, anytime you see this very picture, this very signal, you will know this is autostrada. And this very no stop, it means you can't give a lift on the highway. No stop. Anytime you see this word is always written in the signal. So, this no stop means you can't give a lift on the highway. You can't. It is forbidden. Then, if you look at the fixed signal on top of this here, the signal on the motorbike signal here, fino a 249. So, a big motorbike, just like these power bikes, that their cylinder has the cylinder of 249 49 centimeter cube cannot circulate on the highway. The big motorbike, their cylinder is up to 249, cannot circulate. Rather 250. The cylinder must up to 250. The cylinder must be up to 250. Then fino then this the normal Okada, not the power bike, the normal Okada, the normal big Okada, which is the motorbike, the normal big one, that their cylinder is up to 149, cannot circulate. Rather 150 centimeter cube to when you hear the word fino a 149, it means a big Okada, big motorbike that has the cylinder is up to 149 centimeter cube cannot circulate on the highway. This is why they have this signal, this forbidden signal. They can't circulate. Then look at the Dan. Bicycles, they are forbidden to circulate on the highway. The first one. Why? The second one, pedestrians, they are forbidden to circulate on the highway. Why? The third one is for this is forbidden signal as well. For the animals that are towing vehicle, they cannot circulate as well on the highway. Then this is all about this very signal of the autostrada. So let me go to the end. This one, you will see this one when you are about to enter at the inizio. So let's see the one that we see now when we are about to exit the autostrada is finished. So the end of autostrada fino. Okay, so if you see this very signal now, you will see that they use a red bar, Eroso barra is what they call this very red bar. They will use it to cross the signal. That means you have come to the end of autostrada. This one is the ending of it. So look at the inizio here, the first one here. Then this one is the end of it, like fine cartello stradale, the fine of the road signal. So let's go back to our study. So that is the signal of autostrada. So now we have already learned about the highway. So now we're going to take some question and answer on this very highway, on this very lesson we just did now. So definizione stradale. So the definition of the road, like ossia di accelerazione. So definition of the road of the acceleration lane. The acceleration lane. So we already know what is called acceleration lane. So we do question and answer on it now. So our first question. La corsia di accelerazione serve per rientrare sulle carreggiate dell'autostrada dopo che si è uscita da un'area di servizio. Yes, it's true. So look at what this question is saying now. You see, the acceleration lane, it serves to re-enter into the highway. So la corsia di accelerazione serve per rientrare sulla carreggiata. So the acceleration lane, it serves to re-enter into the carriageway of the autostrada, of the highway. Dopo che si è uscita, after you have already exit da un'area di servizio, after you have already exit a service area. So what this question is saying now is this. Let me just explain. You know, on the highway we have a service area where maybe if you are traveling on a long distance, there is always some restaurants, some other shopping places, so that you can do small refreshment before you can continue your long distance journey. So that place that you will exit to, that service area, that place is what they call the service area. So after you have already exited there, you will use the corsia di accelerazione to exit into that service area. Then when you want to re-enter into the highway again, you will use corsia di accelerazione to enter. And this very question is true, very, very true. La corsia di accelerazione serve per rientrare sulla carreggiata. It serves to enter into the highway dall'autostrada of the highway, of the carreggiata of the highway. Dopo che si è uscita da un'area di servizio. After you have already exit the highway before into the service area. So you will use corsia di accelerazione to enter into the highway back, and it's very, very true. Very, very true. Number 2, la corsia di accelerazione facilita l'ingresso del veicolo in autostrada. So the acceleration lane, it make it easy for the entrance of the vehicle in autostrada, in the highway. or su strada extraurbana principale, or the second highway they call strada extraurbana principale, we still do lesson on that one, and it's true. So the acceleration lane, it make it easy for the vehicle to enter into the highway, and it's true. It's true. So the don't be panic about strada extraurbana principale. We still do lesson on that one because we have two highway. The first highway is what we just done now, the autostrada. We just did that one now. So the next highway is strada extraurbana principale. We still do lesson on that one, so don't bother yourself, okay? Number 3, the third question. La corsia di accelerazione può essere utilizzata per il sorpasso. So this question is saying now, it said the acceleration lane that the vehicle used to enter into the highway, it can also be used to do overtaking. No, it is forbidden. It is forbidden. You can't do that. You are about to enter into the highway. You are thinking of how to just do overtaking. No. You will cause accident. It is forbidden. You can't do that. It's false. So, our fourth question. La corsia di accelerazione viene utilizzata per aumentare la velocità. Yes, it's true. So, this number 4th question said the acceleration lane, it can be used to increase. When you hear the word aumentare, to increase la velocità, to increase the speed. So the acceleration lane, it serves to increase the speed. Yes. So the idea is this. You know, when you are about to enter into the highway, after you have already gained access to the highway, you will now increase your speed. So it serves to increase the speed. Yes, because it's the highway. You cannot be driving slowly in the highway. No. So you just try to meet up to the speed limit they impose. So this is the reason. So it's true. It serves to increase the velocity, and it's true. Number 5. La corsia di accelerazione serve ad entrare correttamente in autostrada. Yes, it's true. So the acceleration lane serves to enter correctly into the highway. Yes, it's true. Number 6. La corsia di accelerazione serve per abbandonare la carreggiata. So he said the acceleration lane serves to abandon the carriageway, the autostrada, and entrare un'area di sosta. So this question is saying the acceleration lane serves to abandon the carriageway of the highway or the autostrada and to enter in a parking area. No, it's false. No, it's false. It's not used for that. No, it's false. Number 7. La corsia di accelerazione serve per uscire. So this very number 7 said the acceleration lane serves to exit da una piazzola di sosta. So he said the acceleration lane serves to exit a resting area. No, it's false. It's false. So let's correct it and see. So we have 7/7. So it's 7/7. It's very clear here. So if you are having some difficulties to understand, try to rewind the video back, make it very slowly to your understanding before you continue. So let's move forward. So we have already done the quiz on corsia di accelerazione, which is the acceleration lane. Now, don't forget we have the de-acceleration, which is the exit, the lane to exit the highway, because we already done the one of the acceleration lane, which is to enter into the highway. Now is the one to exit the highway, which is corsia di de-acceleration. So our first question. La corsia di de-acceleration serve per uscire correttamente da una strada extraurbana principale. Yes, it's true. So we have not done lesson on strada extraurbana principale. Strada extraurbana principale is still highway, is a highway as well. So the acceleration lane serves to exit the exit lane, which is corsia di de-acceleration, serves to exit correctly from the highway they call strada extraurbana principale. It's true. Don't forget I said we will do lesson on strada extraurbana principale. Don't forget, but it's still highway. Number 2. La corsia di de-acceleration serve per uscire dalla carreggiata de autostrada ad entrare nelle area di servizio. Yes, it's very, very true. So the corsia di de-acceleration, the exit lane, serves to exit the carriageway of the autostrada and to enter into the service area ad entrare nelle area di servizio. Yes, it's very, very true. So you will use the exit lane to enter into the service area. Yes, correctly. Yes, it's very, very true. Number 3. La corsia di de-acceleration serve ad entrare in autostrada. No. The exit lane it's not safe to enter into the highway. Rather, kusia di accelerazione is to enter into the highway. Why kusia di de-accelerazione is to exit the highway. So this one now is saying we can use the exit lane to enter into the highway back. No, it's false. So number 4, la corsia di de-accelerazione può essere utilizzata per la sosta dei veicoli. So it said this very question is saying the exit lane can be used for the parking of the vehicle. No. Number 5, la corsia di de-accelerazione facilita l'uscita del veicolo da autostrada. So this very number 5th question said the exit lane, it make it easy for the vehicle to exit from the highway that they call autostrada, and it's true. Number 6, la corsia di de-accelerazione serve per entrare in una piazzola di sosta. So this very number 6 question said the exit lane, it serves to enter into the resting area of the highway. No, it's false. So let's correct it. So everything is very, very clear. Everything is clear. So let's move ahead. Let's move forward. So our next lesson will be on la banchina, which is the edge of the road, the edge. So when next we meet again, we'll do lesson on la banchina, which is the edge. So see you guys next time when we meet again. So this lesson is, we are still on chapter 1, lesson 3. Chapter 1, lesson 3. So please don't forget, share my videos, subscribe to my channel, and if you are interested in studying with me, write me in the comment section. Thank you and bye.